I'm so excited because I was catching up on my mail and I saw I got another package from Coin and Currency Club. What they are is a monthly subscription service that sends you information about one mystery country, and you don't know what it is till you open the envelope. But what makes their subscription extra cool is they actually include currency from that country. So you get real currency. They also include information about the country as well. So you really get a full picture about the place. But I just think it's so fascinating that they include actual real currency from that country. So let's dive in and see what is in this month's package and what country we're looking at. So people who love to travel love these packages. Kids also really love this package because they're so fascinated with the idea of getting to touch different currency. So everything comes up so well packaged, and let's see what we got. So we start by getting a couple of hints to make a guess on what the package is. So the first clue they give us is geography. It's a landlocked nation in East Africa, famously dubbed the Pearl of Africa by Winston Churchill. I believe that's Uganda, but I might be wrong. It borders Lake Victoria, primary source of the White Nile, features the snow-capped Rwenzori Mountains. I'll admit my geography with Africa is not great, but I think it's Uganda. They give a couple of other clues as well, so let's actually dive in and see if I'm correct. So let's open it up, and it is Uganda. So let me show you everything we got. So in this first package here, it's going to show where exactly the country is located. They also provide information down here just in terms of the timeline. So they send out their packages on the 20th. You're able to also submit your secure agent profile, and it has information on how to upload all that information. And on the back, there's also some activity searches too. So let me show you what else is included in the envelope. So they put everything in this beautiful presentation. Everything is quality materials. We'll start off with the first document, which is the travel documents, destination Uganda. And in here you find information about famous people that were from Uganda. They also provide you with geography and culture information. And on the back is information about the languages. So for example, they provide English and Swahili are the official languages. I did not know that, but now thanks to this book, you get a crash course on the country. So I already learned something about Uganda, which is cool. And now this card over here provides additional information. We get national symbols such as the national sport is football. The assorted flora is the African tulip tree. So you get a lot of key information about the country. There is also information about the national emblem. And then over here, they include what the national song is. So again, you're really getting a crash course on everything there is to know about the country. The next document they have is your little passport, and you can fold it up like a real passport. So it's really cool as you start to do more of these boxes and you get an entire collection of other country passports. And then in here, they give you information about the capital city. For example, population 50 million people live in Uganda. The national day is October 9th, and some also did you know facts too. So you're really learning so much about the country when you open up these packages. Additionally, they provide recipe cards, so you can actually learn some of the foods that are local to the area. The one that stood out to me most was Rolex, because yes, it's pronounced like Rolex, like your watch would be. And what I love is they actually tell you step-by-step directions on how to prepare the food. So this one is actually a bit like an omelet, and then we've got another food which is Madazi, and they both look delicious. So I'm curious to give it a try. Looking at the directions, I have most of the directions, so I'm gonna have to try and give these cook them and see how they taste, because I love trying different foods. So I love that they make it so easy to show you here's what it should look like and here's everything you need to make it. The next card we get is about the economy of Uganda. So they give you the top industries are tourism and agriculture. Major resources is their land, copper, hydropower. On the back, it talks about which countries that they trade with. So again, you're learning even more about the country than just here's money. I mean, they really are teaching you everything there is to know about the country. And next up is my favorite cards, which are the ones that explain about the currency. And this is where they actually do give you the real currency. So let's dive in a little bit about what the currency is. So the currency that they use is called shillings, and it's abbreviated as UGX, and they show you what some of the coins actually look like. And we've got a few of the coins here. So they're a little hard to see maybe with the light. I'm going to hold them down a little bit lower, but you can actually take them out of these containers if you want to touch them. I try and preserve them as beautifully as they do it, but it's another one of those coins. So I just think it's so fascinating that they actually provide you with real coins. And then the other part is with real currency bills as well. So the other document includes about their actual cash bills. And look how pretty this bill is. They also give you 2 stickers, one of the national emblem and one of the national flag too. They also include a proverb card. So they give you what the proverb is in the local language, and then also an explanation or translation. So what the proverb is for Uganda: teeth that are together bite the meat. And what they say, the reflection part, it emphasizes the strength found in unity and cooperation rooted in community-centered traditions. It reflects the belief that challenges are best overcome together rather than alone. So I think that's so fascinating that you get to learn how to say it in the local language, and they give information about it too. We also get this poster that highlights a couple of the most beautiful places there are in Uganda. So we got Lake Buniyani, Murchison Falls National Park are the first 2 on this side. And then over here we have a tea plantation and Lake Kayaninga. So really beautiful posters and pictures that are included. They also give you a map too, which is a huge help for getting to actually place where different cities are in a country and where the country borders as well. So I love just how big and detailed of a map it is, and that you can start to take all these attractions that you've learned about and see exactly where they are in the country. And then the last thing we get is this pamphlet. And so inside this pamphlet, we get additional information about some of the tourist attractions across the country. We have, about different forest falls, mountains. Down here is actually one I've heard amazing things about before and is on my bucket list, the Queen Elizabeth National Park. So I just love that they're including a highlight of some of the top places to go and see. On the back, cultural icons, and then we also get that crash course on culinary delights, including the Rolex one, which I said I definitely want to make. So overall, this subscription service is amazing because you're getting such an in-depth look at a place that maybe you traditionally wouldn't look for. But now, I've got some food I want to try out, some places I want to go. And I think the coolest part of it is that you have currency from the country. So you really feel like you've got a hands-on experience and you have the knowledge about a place. Definitely check them out.